study chapter 9 current electricity. The first point, principle of potentiometer. In a circuit diagram, the potentiometer wire consists of length L and resistance R having uniform cross-sectional area A. A cell of EMF E having internal resistance R and key K is connected across wire AB. When key is closed, current passing through the wire. Current through wire AB is I equal to E divided by R plus small r. The potential difference across the wire AB is VAB is equal to IR. And substitute the value of I in this equation. VAB is equal to E divided by R plus small r into capital R. Potential difference per unit length of the wire is VAB upon L is equal to ER divided by L in bracket R plus small r. As long as E remains constant, VAB upon L will remains constant. VAB upon L is equal to K is known as potential gradient along wire AB. The definition of potential gradient. Potential gradient is defined as potential difference per unit length of wire. Consider a point C on the wire at a distance small l from point A. VAC be the potential difference between point A and C. VAC is equal to KL. VAC is proportional to L, where K is proportionality constant. Therefore, the potential difference between 2 points on the wire is directly proportional to the length of the wire. Then use or the applications of potentiometer. The first use to compare the EMF of cells. Then second use to the EMF of cells can be compared by sum and difference method. Then third, to find internal resistance of a cell. Then fourth one, voltage divider. Fifth, audio control. And sixth, potentiometer as a sensor. Study first application to compare the EMF of cell by using potentiometer. In a circuit diagram, first study the construction. Battery of EMF E, key K and rheostats RH is connected point A at higher potential than point B. The cell whose EMF E1 and E2 are compared and its positive terminal connected to point A and their negative terminals are connected to key K1 and K2. The central terminal of the wedge key is connected to jockey. Then working. The key K is closed and key K1 is closed, K2 is open. The cell of EMF E1 comes into circuit. By touching jockey at various points on the potentiometer wire AB, null point is obtained. Let L1 be the length of wire between null point and point A. Length L1 corresponds to EMF E1 of the cell. E1 is equal to KL1, equation number 1, where K is potential gradient along potentiometer wire. Key K1 is open and K2 is closed. The cell of EMF E2 is now comes in the circuit. By touching jockey at various points of wire AB, null point is obtained. Let L2 be the length of wire between null point and point A. Length L2 correspond to EMF E2 of the cell. Therefore, E2 is equal to KL2, equation number 2. Divide equation 1 by 2, we get E1 upon E2 is equal to L1 upon L2. This equation is the EMF of cell compared by using the potentiometer.